In this video, we're going to be looking at coordinates and how to write them down. The first question says write down the coordinates of A and B on the graph. And then the second question, it says write down the coordinates of the midpoint of the line AB. For the first question, the easiest way to do this is to go to the point. So I'm going to go to the point A and I'm going to read down. So my x coordinate is 2. That's the first thing we write in the bracket. And then I read across from the point to the y-axis, and that's 3. So my coordinate for point A is 2 and 3. Notice that we always write x-axis first before point on the y-axis. For the coordinate of B on the graph, we'll start from the point and I'm going to read up to the x-axis, and that's -2. And then I read all the way to the y-axis, and that's -1. So my B coordinate is -2 and -1. Number 2 says we should work out the coordinate of the midpoint of the line AB. So what I'm going to do here is join the point A to point B. So there are 2 ways of doing this. I can count across and up. The halfway point of the x-axis is 0. And then I rule all the way to the top. Then I go across again all the way to the top. So I've got 2 steps that I've created there. So the midpoint is 0 and 1. Now the second way you can do this is by actually doing a calculation. When we're calculating the midpoint of a line, what we have to do is to add the x coordinate of A and B divided by 2 and do the same for the y coordinate. Taking the x coordinate of A and B, I'll have 2 plus -2 divide by 2, and for my y coordinate it's 3 plus -1 divided by 2. Plus next to a minus is a minus, so 2 take away 2 is 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0. For my y coordinate, 3 plus -1 is 3 take away 1, which is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So you could see that we got exactly the same coordinate, but I would recommend learning how to do the calculation because it's easier and quicker than to count across.